guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa Natash. So today I have a haul video, all my items that I'm going to be listing and showcasing or showing you guys. They're all from Amazon. So this is my first clothing haul that I'm doing on YouTube, or first ever basically. So I am going to link everything in the description box, so just in case you're interested, you can just follow the links and then you purchase them if you need to. So I have a bunch of stuff here and I'm very excited. The first thing, I actually forgot what I bought too, so I love this. It's gonna be a surprise for me. It's like, opening a Christmas present or any present at all. So I got a green, it's a dress. Green dress. Okay, yeah. Yes, I remember this. Oh, nice. So this is a form-fitted dress. I don't know if they call it gathering or ruffle, so it will definitely hug your body. It has a zipper on the back. See that? And it has its spaghetti straps. Material is really nice and soft. And I bought a pair of shoes to go with that dress. It's very pretty. It's great. It's a great quality. You can wear this anywhere. Next thing in the bag is sweater. It has it goes up to the neckline. It's gonna be like probably to right here. See that? Right? The sleeves are nice and long. I love the design of the sleeve. Look at that. That's very nice. This is really cute. See that? It has a nice high slit right here. So stretchy material as well, a long sleeve. This is nice, like the end of fall, even wintertime with a nice long jacket. It has this beautiful design in the middle here. It's just a piece of the material, the way they fold it over. It's really pretty. It has this gathering. All right, let's see what's in this bag. A bag that I saw and just love. Opens like so. I love the handle. It's all like nice ruffled handle. It's really cute. Has straps in it just in case you wanna wear it long, and it also have a little pocket that you can put any of your little belongings that you wanna make sure that you don't lose it. For some reason, I don't recall buying this. But you know what? Sometimes I'm in my shopping spree and I'll see something on the model and I'm like, yeah, that would look good on me. It's here, so I'm gonna try it on. Why not? Blue dress, very soft material. It has an opening right here, so you're gonna have a little skin action going on right here, part of your abdomen. So can't wait to see what this looks like as well. I love bags like this. This is like a nice summer bag. Like if I'm going, going on little errands, I like to have something over my shoulder. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute. It has a pocket inside like so. You see that? And it also have another pocket here. It has a zipper. So two pockets. You can extend the bag if you want, make it longer, or you can make it short. When I bought these, it was a little colder outside. It's going down closer to spring now, but definitely something that you can have in your closet for next winter, or whenever it's chilly, you want something warm to put over. So this is a top, and it's a turtleneck. And it's not really a close fitted neck, but it is very soft. It's like a sweater type material. It's big and it has a nice, it's layered. So the front of it is shorter than the back. All right, so we got, wow, it's a bag. This bag is, my goodness, really, to me, chic. It is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Really nice size. It's not too big. It's not too small. Very nice weight. It's not heavy. Inside of it, you have like 3 compartments. The right and left, closed with snaps. Okay. Good depth to it too, so your things won't fall out. And the zipper in the middle, we have a longer strap, and then inside, that's what it looks like. This is the packaging. So this, we have a zipper side here, which is a nice, good sized pocket. And then we have two little pockets here. This is definitely a dress, guys. It's not a top, but you can wear it as a top. And it has this really nice soft material, long sleeve, nice design to it. Very pretty, very nice. And you can dress this up or you can dress this down. I love this. This is a little cute, oh, it's like satin. Is it satin? Let's see what material this is. It's polyester and spandex. So it does have a little stretch to it. So as you can see the back, this is what it looks like. It's spaghetti straps, okay? And this is the front, and it has a slit, right there, and then you can tie it, and you can open this and just kind of loosen it up, and you can make the split of it a little shorter or longer, whichever your preference is. I love the color. This is gonna look really nice on my skin tone. Now, I paired it with these shoes. They're not from Amazon. They got hearts on them. These were my wedding reception shoes. Love them. This bag, I didn't have anything to showcase it with, I forgot, but it does look nice with it because of these shoes, because these are nude shoes, you can see, and the bag. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching my video. Comment below if you have any questions. Remember to check out my storefront and on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description box. And any items that you like I've showcased, check out the link in the description box. Okay, thank you so much. I am trying this Amazon influencer thing, guys, and I really appreciate your support. Oh my goodness, I love this. What you guys think? So thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next video. I appreciate you all. Mwah.